Two houses side by side. There were people in the auction that wanted to snap these up, and it always starts with the purchase. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Flipping one house is difficult. Flipping two is extremely easy for us, and we're going to show you exactly the step-by-step process that you guys can follow as a template so that you can also do what we call a rinse and repeat. Let's take a tour, and I'm going to share some gems along the way. Behind me are two terraced houses, and these were both picked up under the banner of Sharia Homes from an auction. One cost $780 and the second one cost $840. Works out to about £810,000 per house with a resale value, inshallah, of 1.6 million. Before we go inside, it's important for the outside of your sites to always look clean and professional. Great hoarding, and then we've also got this billboard here for services that we provide, which include bespoke joinery for your bespoke kitchens, bespoke wardrobes, and any other refurbishment services. And it always starts with the purchase. Stage one is actually buying the house. Either side we've got the same template, a mid-terraced house. Stage two is getting planning. Stage three is the party walls, and stage four is we start works and we rock and roll. Let's show you what's going on inside. So in the ground floor we're looking at reconfiguration and value add. With these houses there was so much potential in terms of what was possible. Behind me we've got this double reception room, and what we're going to have here is that wall comes out, and then there'll be a glass that looks onto a sunken kitchen and lounge, and I'm going to show you the extension that we're having on the ground floor. Before we go downstairs, you'll see above we've got new floors and new joists going in, and behind me we've got some new sash windows that are on order. Now the key is to order these in advance so that you speed up the time in terms of the project completing at an efficient speed. Let's move on into the sunken kitchen and lounge. Walking downstairs, we're now entering lower ground sunken kitchen and lounge, and what you'll notice is behind me we've also got a cellar. What's important when it comes to cellars is how much of the space are you actually going to use. Another consideration is how much value will that add. As you walk down the stairs, this will be turned into a lovely utility space. There's going to be lots of storage. This is where you can do your washing, your drying, your hanging. It just adds additional space and value. Let's take a look outside. As you viewers will know, I'm always about value add, and I'm also about being Sharia compliant. We always buy cash, we don't deal in interest, we have no banks and no loans, and we always work with our investors to create amazing family homes. So how do we create value on the outside? Well, it started when we bought this property with next door. Next door we can see we've got a terrace here, we've got an extension here, and on top of that we've got another terrace and another outrigger too. Now the key thing is when it comes to planning approvals, if they've given it to next door, they can't refuse us. That was one of the key considerations that we had when we were bidding for both houses. Both of these houses are what we call being knocked out at the same time, and what we've got here is the foundations. This wall will go, it will come to this side, and all of this space becomes the inside, and that's what we call a side return. Planning approval is a must. Standard time that the local authority has is a maximum of 10 weeks before they give you a decision. We're going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to go through next door. Same template, same model. The door for the basement is here, and we're working in tandem, and we're starting from the top and working our way down. First floor, half landing. Behind me we've got a bedroom, and on the right hand side we're going to have a new bathroom. This is where the existing bathroom was. All we're doing is completely refurbishing and turning it into a very stylish bathroom. So walking upstairs onto the first floor, and we're going to be hitting what used to be two bedrooms. So originally this was the master bedroom, and then behind us we had a rear facing bedroom that faced the garden. What we've done is we've combined it into one master bedroom, which is what we call the principal suite. That's going to be for our end user buyers, which is going to be a family. So you have to start thinking about who the buyer profile will be. What we've got here is a vaulted ceiling, a master bedroom with fitted wardrobes, and then we've got pocket doors that will lead into an ensuite powder room or ensuite bathroom. The key is speed and trying to work as efficiently as possible. So the rewiring's been done, we've got some plastering going on upstairs, we've had the outside of the house already painted, and then we're working on the foundations and the loft, which has already been completed. This is the outrig space that becomes a new bedroom as part of the value add. Mirror image, efficiency is key, experience counts, and flipping one house is hard. Flipping two and working to tandem is an expert scenario. Bouncing to next door, let's have a look at the loft upstairs. Alhamdulillah, value add is what we love, and this is a new loft. Once again, planning application, maximum 10 weeks. they can't refuse, or you could actually build under what's known as permitted development. Behind me, a clever use of space, and we've got a shower room. On the right hand side, we've got a bedroom. The outrigger behind us is a bedroom which can also come up 1 flight of stairs and use this shower room. So end user considerations is so important. You've got to be efficient and you've got to have everything organized. In both houses, both of the lofts are more advanced than the ground floor. On this level, we've got full skimming. We've got our skylight windows in, and the windows that face the rear, which are super special, have a lead time of circa 6 to 8 weeks, and they've been measured and ordered in advance so that we work towards a program of completing both houses by the end of October. So we've come to the end of this tour, and what's important to note here, this is real life on the ground as we speak. When it comes to property gurus and property courses, the best property course that you can get onto is watching these videos. So make sure you subscribe and have a look at some of the other videos where I try and help you, teach you and bring you part of the journey. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Monty out.